I'm Malcolm. I have now more or less retired into Goolwa in South Australia. Yeah, Goolwa is close to my heart. My father and his father built boats on the River Murray, and one of the remnants of that is a barge, the Dart. It is now stored on blocks under the Hindmarsh Island Bridge. Well, really right through this period, we've been spending at least $600 or $700 a quarter. Certainly, solar has always been in our mind as a thing that maybe we should do. Since we've retired here, and with government initiatives that are now set up, I believe for us at this time, this proposal should be a very good option for us. The savings that we can gain from this system should make it quite a significant difference, and hopefully this will help us keep living in the way we would like to keep living.